So we can roam Mars, but McDonald's can't serve beef fast all day? For reals?
Like?
Like?
Why can't we get at McDonald's Be Fast all day? Why?
And you might say McDonald's is putting all its Egg McMuffins in one basket. Welcome to your Tuesday lunch break. I'm Tanya Rivero. After years of outcries from customers, Mickey D's offers breakfast all day, beginning today. It's a huge bet for the company, which has struggled to stem sales declines. WSJ's Julie Jargon joins us now to discuss. Hi, Julie. This is something customers have been clamoring for years, right?
That's right.
Why now?
Well, I think McDonald's has been studying this off and on for many years, and given that they've been struggling with declining sales now for about 3 years, they decided to just give this a try. It's what customers have been telling them they wanted, and they're hoping that this can help, turn the tide for them at McDonald's and give them the boost of sales that they need.
Is there the worry, though, that they may be a little late to the all-day breakfast game? They've already got plenty of competition in this space.
Yeah, but they're one of the biggest that's offering all-day breakfast. There are smaller, more regional chains that are offering breakfast all day, but they're the first really big one to do it. So, I think this is it's a big deal for them. It's the biggest operational change they've made as a company since they rolled out the McCafe beverages several years ago. So this is a big bet for them.
And speaking of operational change, don't the restaurants have to add all kinds of equipment? Is there going to be a grace period for franchises that might not be up to speed right away?
No, they're all going to be up and running today. And in fact, some franchisees have already started even before today to start doing this. But they have had to add some equipment, some extra grills that are situated on rolling carts so that they can move them out of the way when it's time, to do something else, and to save space depending on how their kitchens are configured. So they have had to make, some moderate investments to get the equipment that they need for this.
Now, McDonald's CEO Steve Easterbrook has announced a series of turnaround plans since taking the post in March. He does have some nervous investors to answer to, doesn't he?
Yeah, investors definitely want to start to see some change, and they want to see some appreciation in the stock price. And this is going to be, one way to show them that they're serious about making big changes. And, right now, breakfast accounts for about 25% of McDonald's U.S. sales. Some analysts think that it could go as high as 29% of sales initially when all-day breakfast is up and running as of today, and that maybe it'll settle back down a little bit after the novelty wears off. But I think their hope is that they will start attracting customers back to McDonald's that they may have lost, and that they'll start ordering other things off the menu as well.
Now, if this doesn't work for McDonald's, though, how does this bode for the future?
Well, it could be a big problem for them if it turns out to be a flop. If they have to backtrack and it's looking like it's costing more than it's worth, that would be quite an embarrassment for them. And they'll have to come up with something new. And even if all-day breakfast does work, they're still going to have to come up with something new. This isn't going to be the panacea for them, but it's one step that a lot of people hope is in the right direction.
Well, I, for one, may try an Egg McMuffin for lunch today. Thank you so much, Julie Jargon, for that.
Thank you.